Hey, y'all. It's Zach, the legal tech advisor here at Lawyerist. Today, I'd like to show you a little bit about MyCase and their universal payment link that they've come out with recently. Now, MyCase, since their acquisition of Soluno and CasePeer, has been increasing their accounting features, and specifically one of them that they've brought in is this universal payment link. And I expect to see a lot more accounting features added in the near term. So for the universal payment link, in order to set it up, as you can see, we're at the dashboard, which is what you get to right when you log in. We go to settings, and we're not going to be able to take you through all of it, but we go to settings and we go to all settings. Client billing and invoice settings here at the bottom left-hand side or middle left-hand side. And then right in the middle there, universal payment link preferences. And we can set that up right here. Now, this is separate than taking online payments. This is a specific universal payment link that you can put on your website. You can put it on your invoices. And basically, it allows your client to pay you and tell you what they're paying you for. So if you send it for an invoice and the invoice is, say, $500, they can say, I'm paying $500 for invoice number 1001 or whichever one it is. Now, in order to set it up, you'd obviously click setup and you would have a bank account connected here. I don't have one, so I can't take you through it, but you would follow all the steps that MyCase has for you right there. Once you set this up, what's going to happen is a universal payment link obviously is going to be sent out, and you're going to get a form, or they're going to get a form that they can fill out, and we'll show you that a little bit here. So this is MyCase's documentation, and they're going to get a form that is like this that you can put your logo in, your law firm information, and then your client will enter the payment details. This should be very familiar to any of you that have used a universal payment link before, but your client will enter their details, then the payment details, and then they'll send it off to you, and it'll go off for reconciliation. When a client pays that way, the information and the payment gets dumped into this reconciliation area, and you are able to then select what case, what file, what matter that is connected to, and you can choose which trust bucket to take that to. Once you choose that trust bucket, it leaves this area and goes directly into that client file. So it's relatively easy to get paid and then move it to the right place, provided that your client is giving you the right information on the front end. So that's universal payment links. It is a relatively new feature from MyCase, but it should be something that makes getting paid by your clients a little bit easier, and hopefully that'll increase your income or at least make it easier for you to get paid. So I hope this helps. I hope you learned something, and I will see you next time around the Lawyerist ecosystem.